Word Module 3 project, American Bicycle Alliance. Hey, the American Bicycle Alliance promotes bicycling across the country. Potential members have asked for a document that describes the organization and its programs. As a project assistant for the ABA, you are working on the document. Start by formatting the title, Bicycling for All, as follows. Change the font to Constantina. So we're going to select the title, Bicycling for All. And we're going to type in the name of the font. There it is. And then it asks us to change the font size to 24 point. Change the font size to 24 point. Change the font color to orange accent 2, darker 25%. And then here it gives us the location of where we would find that. So we're going to do font colors. The theme colors are right here. And it is an orange accent 2, darker accent 2, darker 25%. Modify the first paragraph, the American Bicycle Alliance, through roads and pathways. So we're going to select that. And it would like us to change the line spacing to a 1.15. So we're going to come up here to line and paragraph spacing and select the 1.15 spacing. Okay. Change the paragraph spacing to 0 points after the paragraph. Okay, we go to layout, spacing after the paragraph, 0. Okay. Step 3, to emphasize the 3 major programs, format the 3 paragraphs beginning with Best Bicycle, committees through transportation and health. Okay, so we're going to come up here to our bullets, and we would like a numbered sequence. So we're going to choose the number sequence 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to have to select those. I just triple clicked on the 1, 2, and the 3. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to come all the way down to the bottom where it says define new number format, because it's looking for just a 1, 2, 3 without a comma. That's not in our library. So we're going to edit, and then when we click OK, it will take away the comma. Okay, we're going to double click again, which highlights the bullets 1, 2, and 3, and then it asks us to bold the numbers. There you go. So now they are bolded. Okay, step 4. Format the Best Bicycling Communities heading so it matches the other 2 program headings as follow. So we're going to look for Best Bicycle. Here we go. We're going to select that. It would like us to right align it, so alignment is up here. And then add a top border. Okay, here's our borders and shading. And we would like to add a top border. And change the paragraph spacing to 18 points before the paragraph. So I'll go to layout. Spacing is at 12 points before the paragraph, so we're going to increase it to 18. To format subheadings consistently, use the Format Painter to copy the formatting from candidates for new awards. So they're wanting us to select the font and style and color of this heading and apply it to the heading Award Renewals as well as Current Awards, which is here. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the text that you want to highlight, and then we're going to go up to our Format Painter, which is right here. And we're going to double click it because we have two swipes that we have to apply so that we can make the two headings, Award Renewals and Current Award Winners, to look at like the candidates for new awards. So we're going to double click it twice. Now you'll notice that there's a little teeny paintbrush. So we're going to swipe over the material or the text that we'd like to format. Now if you'll notice, it matches. We still have a little paintbrush, so we can swipe over the second heading, which is the Current Award Winners. And you'll notice that it has now been formatted. Okay, you'll notice up here it's still on, so you need to click to turn it off. Now we are back to our regular pointer. For the italicized paragraph, the application deadline, which is up right here, the application deadline, it would like us to indent left and right a ½ inch. So we are going to come up here to layout, and we have our indent. We're going to indent a ½ inch on the left and a ½ inch on the right. So it brings in that italicized paragraph on both right and left sides of the margin. On page 2, the italicized paragraph that says the Best Bicycling Community Award, Easy on the Wallet, which is down here. There it is. After we select it, they would like us to increase the indent by 1 level. So 1 level would be a ½ inch. So I just hit my tab key. There you go. And you can tell that it's moved in ½ inch here. Okay, now it's asking us step 8. Format the 3 paragraphs beginning Fort Collins, Colorado, and ending with Portland, Oregon. We're going to select those. And it would like us to make it a bulleted list using the default bullet style. So the default bullet style is just your generic, as you would say, just the one that is selected if you hit the button. Oops. There we go. I'll try that again. There we go. Bullets. There's the default bullet. The default bullet is just a dot. Okay, then it would like us to change the bullet style from maps and guides to a check mark. So currently it's at dots and it would like it to be a check mark. So we're going to double click. And then come up to our bullets. Use our drop down so we can look in our bullet library. And we're looking for a check mark. So there you go. There's your check mark. Select and done. Okay. Step 10. Format the 4 paragraphs beginning spring and ending Bike Bazaar. That would be this group of text. And create a tab at 0.75. We're going to come up here to our paragraph grouping, open up the paragraph grouping, and down here at the corner, left-hand corner, is the word tabs. So we're going to open up that, and it's asking it for us to make the tab stop at 0.75 left. And we have to set it. By setting it, you'll notice it moves from this top location to this bottom location. That tells you that it understood that that's what you wanted to do, and then you can click OK. You'll notice up here in the ruler there's a little teeny angle to the left, and that is the left tab stop that you just created. So we are going to put our cursor in front of the word ride and hit our tab key, and then in front of the word state and hit our tab key, in front of the word shifting and hit our tab key, and in front of the word holiday and hit our tab key. There we go. Okay, apply the blue accent 5 lighter 60% paragraph shading to this text. So the text itself is supposed to remain the same color. They just would like the shading to be different. So we're going to go to our little bucket, pick our theme color, which they are asking blue accent 5, lighter 60%. Okay. Resize the picture at the end of the paragraph, or at the end of the document. So we have to select the picture. There we go. Now we're going to have to change the size of it to the height of 2.67 and the width of 4. So we are going to do format, and we're going to come over here to sizing, change it to a 2.67. And when we did that, it automatically adjusted the width to a 4. So, and then the last thing is we're going to apply an offset diagonal top right picture effect. So the picture effect is right here, this little square with a shadow around it. And it would like it to be a shadow, and it's asking us to choose a offset diagonal top right. Okay, there you go. Hope that helps. I'll talk to you guys later.